We're taking methods from many different bodywork modalities as we find that this truly integrates, really there's so much to gain from each one. And we want to integrate them all and give you all of those skills to use in your practices.
We're going to really be looking at anatomy in a way that's going to become alive, not just within how one muscle or one ligament relates to the other, but it's going to become alive in the way that it allows us to see reports of pain differently, or our tools that subset differently, or how we can talk to people about fetal positioning, especially those breech phone calls or transverse phone calls that we might get as spinning babies aware practitioners.
An important aspect of doing body work that we will be emphasizing throughout our workshop is that of using good body mechanics. So I've been a body worker for many years and have helped to support people in learning massage and body work. And I found that one of the most important things to do is to find alternative tools, alternative parts of your body to give nice, precise, whole-bodied, authentic pressure.